special model of Vespa Primavera Color Vibe officially launched in the Cambodian market. Vespa Primavera Color Vibe is available in two attractive colors, blue and orange, a special model, luxurious style with unique design, color and quality, and was officially launched in Cambodia at the end of April 2023. The color scheme of the Vespa Primavera Color Vibe special model is characterized by two special colors mixed with body shades that perfectly match the graphics on the side, including the floor, which creates a distinctive and pleasing look. Strong. This is a special model and a global admiration of the Moto Vespa brand in color and carefree. The trim is highlighted with sporty black accents, such as headlights, front fenders, front mudguards, front bumpers, rear bumpers, and taillights. The style of the motorcycle badge cover design, great color stamp, unique style. The first Vespa Primavera motorcycle, launched in 1968, became a popular, non-perishable and truly revolutionary model. Youth, agility, creativity, safety and environmental protection. So today Vespa Primavera is like a shining star of all ages. And this revolution continues with the new Vespa Primavera, which is safer, more comfortable and stylish, as well as more features. This Vespa motorcycle is imported and distributed by Narita Vespa Company, located on Angha Tri Hang, 2011 Street, Konsan Sak, Phnom Penh. Additional features of this new model are: 1. Vespa motorcycle is not only a means of transportation, but it has a style that is different from other brands. 2. Vespa motorcycle is a high-class motorcycle, lifestyle scooter, that shows the only classic style that does not perish, not out of series or old models or old years outdated like other motorcycle brands, though. Produced before or after the case. No matter the age or the old model, Moto Vespa still shows a beautiful style, showing the excellence, prestige, pride of the driver and a symbol of freedom, no worries, no hassle, and unlimited use for all ages. Or young or in any kind of uniform. 3. Moto Vespa is a symbolic and historical legacy of the great Italian brand, which has been a world-renowned brand since 1946, having the single largest manufacturing plant in Europe. In Cambodia, and will be recognized by our Cambodian aristocracy for a long time. For Vespa motorcycle with high quality, modern technology, steel body, stable and safe while driving, safety tires, no gut, aluminum alloy wheels, chip lock system, thieves cannot steal and do not heat the engine while traveling far away.